Thanks to the Honorable Speaker for giving this opportunity to ask the Honorable Minister for Forest and Welfare. Today, in our constituency, there is a lot of elephant intrusions happening in our constituency across the segments of Banerghatta, Satnur and Kanakpura, and the elephants are killing the farmers and also destroying the crops. I want to ask from the Honorable Minister how much of fund is released towards preventive measures from the Campa fund, because Campa fund has got sufficient money. I request the Honorable Minister for Forest to release some from the Campa fund to erect a barricade along 70 kilometers to prevent elephant intrusions, so that this sort of killings and trampling of deaths is happening.
Okay.
So the other thing is, if the forest employee dies, the compensation is about 25 lakhs. If a farmer dies, it is only 15 lakhs. I want this compensation to be equal to that of a forest employee. So I request the Honorable Forest Minister to release immediately some grants from the Campa fund to erect a barricade to prevent the elephant intrusion. Thank you, sir.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, जो मूल प्रश्न है वो एडेप्टेशन के संबंध में है। वर्तमान में क्लाइमेट चेंज के कारण जो एडेप्टेशन में सूखा आदि का विषय है उसके संबंध का है। जहाँ तक हाथियों के प्रश्न है और उन्होंने हाथियों के उत्पात के विषय में जो मानव मृत्यु के बारे में कहा गया है और कैंपा फंड के बारे में डिमांड करी है, वो इससे अलग विषय है। माननीय सदस्य महोदय अपने संसदीय क्षेत्र का विषय मुझे लिख करके देंगे तो हम उनका समाधान करेंगे और मैं उनको गाइडलाइन भी उपलब्ध कराऊंगा।
श्रीमती प्रभा मल्लिकार्जुन।
Thank you, Speaker, sir. I would like to know what specific steps is the government taking to ensure that Karnataka's drought-prone districts receive adequate